morning, Wednesday. It is Wednesday. It is day 3 of packing. Hi, I hope you have been having a great week. If you haven't been checking out what's going on, it's my sister behind me. She thinks I'm in trouble. I'm just vlogging. I'm vlogging.
Hey, bye.
Bye.
Oh, I've got to reverse.
Yeah, that's the wrong way. You need to go by the other way. It's day 3 of moving out. It is currently 1:43 p.m. Unfortunately, I am still a mother and still have to grocery shop for my family, and that is a 4-hour process between buying food for 2 weeks, packing it into the car, getting home, unpacking from the car, and sorting and putting everything away. I started at 11. It's 1:40. I'm sweaty and I am done. But I'm heading to the store. If you haven't checked out the other 2 days of this moving vlog, please go check them out. I will try to do the icon thing over there or over there. I'm not sure which one. We'll see if this works out. I don't know how to work that thing. But it is day 3. Let's get going. I am excited that today may be the last day. I hope. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. Let's go to work. Let's go. I am driving now. I forgot just how almost done we are. Like, oh my gosh, we are almost freaking done packing up and moving out. So, plan of attack today. Get a box and pack all of this decor real nice. I think I'm gonna do this open face box for most of it because it's all kind of fragile and I just want it, like, I want to make sure it's gonna go with the glitter and be safe. I have to just get the bips and bobs out of here. Like, there's just a little bit of fur and then some decor and office stuff that I just need to pack up, pull out, and then that's done. Dreading this. Just absolutely dreading. Honestly, I think I'll put everything in these containers. And then pull all that out. And then, and here's just lights. It's just lights in here and like the vacuum and stuff. And then in here, I've actually been thinking about the filming room. I don't think it's gonna be bad. I think I'm gonna put all this stuff like together. I have a box with dirty makeup brushes that I can put, but all of this can fit in that bag. Pack it all up, shove it in, get out, and that's done. Like, that's not as bad as I thought it would be. Over here is all Wish. I just need to take this down, which I'm real sad about. And then, yeah, geez, that's done. This is like a 1-box situation. Just need to put everything into a box from in here, even my wigs. And then, yeah, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm gonna finish so soon. I will try, I'm alone today, so I'm gonna try to time lapse everything and get it all done. In here, we took everything out, so there's like no toys or anything. It's just the futon, the pillows, which I can put in a trash can, and then the TV and the desk. And then it's done. And then the bathroom just has to, this mirror is ours, so we have to take it high. And then, oh my gosh, we're almost done. So let's let's stop being almost done and get done. I think I'm actually gonna put all the filming room stuff into this bag. There's a shake weight in it because I thought I would be able to work my arms out, but it just stayed in the back. So this is what I'm gonna put all my stuff in the filming room in, which is fun because that's what it came in to begin with. So I think I will start in here. I'm gonna put on like a show or something and get going. Yay, let's go. I've killed 2 entire spiders today, so basically growth, killed them dead. Did a trip to the storage unit. Bryce came by and helped me. Sorry, Gary's talking. Bryce came by and helped me. It was so awesome of him to help, like at all. I didn't know he was coming, and that was very nice of him. That family is so amazing. So now all that's left is like decorations. There's like bits and bobs behind you. Let me show you. Like all this is just, you know, like chairs and little tiny pieces. And then over here we have the arch. Looks like it's so big. This is what happened when we were moving in too, is the arch, like all this stuff for the arch was right here and it looked so messy. But every one of these rooms is cleaned out, swept, and ready to go. So we have all these dressing rooms done, and this big room is done. The only shelves that need to come down are those ones. I think I'm gonna pack up the decor, and guys, wow. I think I'm gonna make a decision to bring like everything up front. That way, first of all, it's closer to the door. Second of all, it looks like things are done because it's kind of like spread out and freaking me out. So, like I'm a visual person, obviously, so I need it to be cohesive. My back is killing me. I'm very tired. 3 days of doing this. OMG. I don't want to go for a 4th, but you know what? We might. So, oh, geez, Louise, what's happening up here? Yeah, so let me get all this stuff to the front and then we can go from there. I'm excited. Guys, it's almost done. Can you believe it? This is crazy. Crazy. This spider got squished to death under the flower wall. That's what you get. Get out of my house. Disgusting. Also, this was like a test for everyone who asked why we don't have glitter walls. This was a test. You can kind of see how it shimmers a little on glitter wall. It did not work out. Did not work out. So we went with the pink. Hey. I'm calling day 3. This is the end of day 3. My hips hurt. I'm an old lady. Yeah, so here's what we got done. I think I already walked through this, but all of these rooms are completely empty. I'm truly doing this for myself to make sure this isn't for your benefit. Empty and empty. Nice. Okay, we took down the fur on the table, which is sad, but you know, it's an upgrade. It's an upgrade for little miss over here. And then everything's ready to go outside. We packed up the snacks. This is all ready to go in a truck. That's all ready to go in a truck. The decor is ready. I put heavier pieces on their own. I might find a box for them tomorrow, but paintings and then this arch is right there. And then that's the end of day 3. There's my store. Look at this sign with the banner. She fell down, but we're gonna take her down completely tomorrow. Yeah, this is the second to last day because we're definitely gonna finish tomorrow. There's not a whole ton left, but yeah. Guys, for following me around day 3, I will see you guys tomorrow for day 4. Yeah, thanks for the support. Love you guys. Bye. Subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell.